Hey folks, I thought I'd show you this, what I did here with the Pivotrim, I think it's called, head. This is the original Ego trimmer, battery operated trimmer. The ST1500, I think it is. Anyway, I put the Pivotrim head on it, and you can see it's on there. It works fantastic for trimming, for edging. And what I did was just took the original head off and used the original bolt that was in here, and the spacer that came with the set, and that's it, and screwed it down. Now the problem being, if I ever have to take it off, I don't know how I'm going to take it off, because this whole thing turns. I don't know how I would stop the motor without taking things apart. So if this goes bad on me, I'd probably just cut it off and put another one on. But for the homeowner, instead of dealing with them bump heads, this type of head is fantastic. I'll show you my trim that I just did. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. But one sweep, not going back and forth or anything with this thing. And here's I just changed the string for the hell of it, because I'm done. But here's the old string, and you could see there's plenty left. Just the tips were used, and I was hitting cement. Here, I'll show you the job. My lawn looks terrible, but you could see the trim job all the way down. All the way down. I know the grass is terrible. I'm just showing you the trim. I never take care of my grass. All the way down. All the way down and around the block. All trimmed. This side too with the terrible grass. All trimmed. Maybe 5 minutes at the most, because I didn't have to go back and forth. It's really great. I have to say, I'll never go back to these bump heads. So anyway, put it on your own risk. But this is the original Ego, and I managed to get this on the head. And I'll never go back to the regular pain in the butt bump head, which doesn't last long at all if you are bumping it. All right, thanks for watching.